Hi, good morning, everyone. My name is Mohammad Mohsin Atisham. I am the head of sales and product for material handling division in United Motors and Heavy Equipment. Let me start by telling you a brief about our company. United Motors and Heavy Equipment is an integral part of Darwish bin Ahmed Group, which is a well-known business group in UAE, having a presence in UAE for more than 65 years. We have a diversified portfolio, having a construction company, which is Saf bin Darwish in Abu Dhabi. We have got Diamond Steel as a fabrication company. And under the umbrella of United Motors, we have got multiple brands starting from trucks and going up to lubricants. In trucks, we are the dealers for MAN trucks. Then we have got construction equipments as well, which is SANY. And today we are exhibiting our material handling division equipment range, in which we are the dealers of Yale, which is an American company. It's a 150 years old company, well known in the field of material handling. And we are the dealers of Landol Bandy as well, which is again an American company. And we have a presence for more than 15 years in UAE. So you see right behind me, the machines in yellow and orange. They are all electric forklifts and articulated forklifts. We have got different options to offer it when it comes to electric and diesel, specialized in handling the pallets within the warehouse. And we offer the complete end-to-end solution. So if you are starting a new warehouse, we can give you a complete consultancy about selecting the right machines, about selecting the right storage capacity, and suggesting you the suitable machines. So we have a complete range starting from electric hand pallet truck and going to a very sophisticated product, which is an articulated forklift, which you might see on the background in an orange color. So the entire machines are in electric, which is a zero emission and environment friendly. And we are in the industry for more than 20 years in UAE. We have got prestigious customers with us in the likes of Emirates, Lulu Logistics, and a couple of other major accounts we have. We have all of these units are supported by our full-fledged after-sales team, which is there to support 24/7 all across UAE. We have got mobile workshops. So whenever there is a service, you don't have to bring the machine to our workshop. We come to your site and we do the service. When it comes to Logimotion today, as I mentioned earlier, that we are displaying material handling equipment, complete solution. Whenever you are setting up a new warehouse, you can reach out to us for the consultancy and we will select the right and suitable equipment for you. Thank you very much.